Good morning, everybody. I just would like to invite you to spend the day with us, and we're going to share a little bit of our homeschooling routine. This is our first video ever, and I'm so excited to share some of our activities with you.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, so we are very excited to do our first video today of an activity. And it's gonna be a simple one. What do you have in your hands, Arya?
A bird feeder. We're gonna hang it on this small tree so we can reach.
Good job. And how about you, Lita? Will you do the same thing? Yeah. So it's such a beautiful day. We are very happy.
And you want to see how we put them on?
Yeah.
If we can't reach, we can ask Mama for help.
Exactly. And also there are like small branches over here. See? You guys want to try to hang on those small branches?
Yeah.
Okay, so go ahead. Go ahead. Oh, Arya got a good one. Good. Do you want me to try to help you to hang a little bit higher? So they, yeah, because I think, yeah, just a second, because it's very windy here. It's getting warmer, the weather is getting better, but it's still super windy on Long Island.
Can you hold it?
Okay, over here, the first one is here. And the way that we made this was very nice, because we just used like rice cakes, and then we spread some Crisco shortening on it, and then we dipped bird seeds, and I made it. No worries, short people's problems. I'm gonna put high up over here. Good job. That's a very engaging activity. We did that on our little science co-op that we have every other Monday, and then it was super fun. The kids were very excited and engaged in this activity. And look at this. Whoa, now yeah, Arya wants to talk to you. Guys, before we end this video, what do you want to say?
We like to do math, and Alita is in pre-K, I'm in kindergarten, and also, if anyone wants to hear the same excited thing, I got a list too, if you would like to hear that. And we love to be together, and we do collections of leaves,